ۋىسال ئىزدەپ سەپەر قىلدىم. Peygamber rehberimdir, ulu Kur'an gündüz quyoshim, kechalar kökte ayımdır. Allah yeganidir şeksiz, Muhammed elçisi berhaq, degan ushbu güzel sözler benim ali şuarımdır.
How many people here is at least 20 years old? I'm asking you a question. Okay. All of y'all need to be married. And don't tell me ain't nobody good enough to marry. Don't tell me you ain't find nobody qualified. Don't tell me there ain't enough brothers, there ain't enough sisters. No. You just ain't had enough of whatever it is you're trying to get. And you know, there's a psychological statistic I want to tell you something about, brothers and sisters. And I want you to keep this in your mind so that you understand how important it is for you to marry when you're young. That's why the Prophet said get married when you're young. Because the statistic says the more nakedness that you see, the more fawahish that you see, it deadens certain cells inside the brain that makes it exciting for you when you do get married. And the reason why marriages are failing is because when they get together, they find out that the marriage, it ain't exciting as it was before they was together. Why? Because they done seen too much. They waited too long. They have become insensitive. The girls ain't shy no more, and the boys, they beyond shy. So that's why it's important for you to think about marriage. And you would say to yourself, the excuse that I get from young people, well, I can't get married because I ain't got no job. I ain't got no money. I can't buy no house. I can't buy no furniture, so I can't get married right now. I say, well, look, where you live? They say, I live with my mom and dad. The girls say the same thing. Where you live? I live with my mom and dad. I ask them, do they have a house? Say, yeah. Do you have a room in that house? They say, yeah. Do they have furniture? I say, yeah. Well, you need to get married and bring your husband or your wife home. But they say, oh, my parents wouldn't allow that. Why? Because your parents is greedy.